Hello.
Ni hao.
Merhaba.
Hola.
Namaste.
Habari. Good morning. Welcome to the Secondary Department Assembly. Today's assembly is led by the A2 class. May we all stand up and sing a school anthem.
Acorns International, arise and shine. We inspire and empower each other to create a peaceful world. With a strong foundation, we aim for the highest, build for tomorrow and strive for success. We inquire and aspire to be lifelong learners. With morals and values we shine in all nations. Academic excellence we seek, with the finest education for all. Acorns International, arise and shine. We inspire and empower each other to create a peaceful world. With a strong foundation, we aim for the highest, build for tomorrow and strive for success.
Uganda will join the rest of the world to celebrate the World Tourism Day on the 27th September under the theme Tourism for Inclusive Growth.
This theme underscores the potential of tourism in promoting opportunities for communities around the world, as well as the role that community engagement has in advancing sustainable tourism development.
The A2 class has therefore decided to celebrate this through a poem to encourage everyone in the AIS family to travel. When this whole storm is over, travel.
Try to travel, otherwise you may become racist and you may end up believing that your skin is the only one to be right, that your language is the most romantic, and that you are the first to be the first.
Travel, because if you don't travel, then your thoughts won't be strengthened, won't get filled with ideas. Your dreams will be born with fragile legs, and then you end up believing in TV shows, and in those who invent enemies that fit perfectly with your nightmares to make you live in terror.
Travel, because travel teaches us to say good morning to everyone, regardless of which side we come from.
Travel, because travel teaches us to say goodnight to everyone, regardless of the darkness that we carry inside.
Travel, because traveling teaches to resist, not to depend, to accept others not just for who they are, but also for what they can never be, to know what we are capable of, to feel part of a family, beyond borders, beyond traditions and cultures.
Travel, otherwise you will end up believing that you are made only for a paranormal, and instead inside you there are wonderful landscapes still to visit. Traveling has to be the most open-minded activity, as it opens your eyes to a variety of experiences, the politics of other countries, the beauty and diversity of different cultures and animals. Thank you!
Hi everyone, my name is Zahla.
I'm Victoria.
Paula!
I stand before you today to tell you about a project that I'm really interested in. It is called the Helping Hands Project. You all must be aware of the pandemic and its effect on us and others. Some of us might have even lost close ones, but regardless, we're taking this opportunity to reach out to those we can, to ease their situation with this campaign.
How will others benefit from the Helping Hands group? During Uganda's second lockdown, we worked and sought assistance from others. We got some funds for the Love Ugandan Foundation, an orphanage in Uganda. Our first contribution was delivered by one of our members of around 200 masks and 21 liter sanitizers. How can you help? The t-shirts were designed by one of the members of the group from scratch. Anyone that wants to buy this t-shirt can contact the A2 members or Mr. Brian, and once you have, we will guide you on how to purchase it. You can also help us by donating things like clothes you aren't using or stationery or anything like that. We will use this shirt to share love, care, joy across Uganda. The last year and a half has shown us how important it is for us to share love, show that you care, and help bring joy to each other.
We have a small activity for you guys, which is a kindness challenge. It's just a few activities assigned to every class respectively to spread some kindness to another. So MYP1, you're gonna have to make cards for your parents for appreciating, just like appreciation cards to your parents. And yeah, that takes a day. MYP2, you're gonna have to help your parents sweep and organize the home, just for a day. MYP3, you're gonna have to help with doing the dishes for a day or two. MYP4, you're gonna help with cleaning your parents' cars for a day. Yeah, so that's MYP1 to MYP4. So before I talk about the rest of the classes, that's MYP5 to AS, I would like to talk about a major illness in today's generation, mental distress. It's a widespread issue that is underlooked and given very less attention, yet its impact is great on its victim. So the following classes will have 2 tasks, out of which they will opt for one. So the first option for all of you, MYP5 to AS, the very first option is you're gonna have to talk to someone. Okay, because of the mental distress, you're going to talk to someone from your class. Anyone, could be a teacher or student, and you're going to talk about any issues or problems that you're facing. And as you're talking, you're gonna find out that you can help someone with what they're going through. So when you can, you help. So that's the first option. That's the option for all of you. And the second option for MYP5, it's to write a letter to your favorite teacher telling them why they're your favorite. So students will be required to take pictures or videos and submit at the end of that task. The deadline is next week, Wednesday, on 6th October 2021.
What is it about? The Community of Helping Hands is a group of young teens who aspire to make a positive impact on the world. All the participants of this project are students of Acorns International, and we all are passionate about making a positive impact on the community around us. The members of the Helping Hands organization think that love, care, and joy can make an enormous difference. Before we end this presentation, I would like to point out that the stand starts from our thinking and our actions. There are those who feel it's a community thing, but your home is your community too. And these are ways how you can also be part of this project. The children of MYP5 and below can show they are capable of joining this project by sharing a picture or a video of them helping their family members, or it could be helping their mother cook food, picking up rubbish and disposing of it in the dustbin. There are so many things that you can do in the most creative way.
A round of applause for the A2 class. Please stand up for the national anthem.